Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday underscored the need to overhaul school-level reporting mechanisms, asserting that deficiencies in data submission rather than poor educational outcomes have adversely impacted Meghalaya's performance grading index (PGI). Addressing the foundation stone-laying ceremony of Sokha Government Higher Secondary School and the felicitation program for meritorious students, Sangma said the state's PGI ranking failed to accurately capture the strides made in the education sector due to lapses in reporting key performance indicators. He noted that schools had missed out on valuable PGI scores by failing to document basic yet measurable interventions, including the availability of reading spaces and the conduct of cyber safety awareness programs. The Chief Minister said nearly 100 marks had been lost because of reporting gaps, describing the issue as a low-hanging fruit that could be addressed through stronger documentation and timely data submission. Calling for greater accountability, Sangma urged school heads and the education department to institutionalize a robust reporting framework to ensure Meghalaya's educational achievements are accurately reflected in national assessments. Reaffirming the government's commitment to education reforms, he highlighted that over 2,000 schools had been upgraded during the past 8 years. Substantial investments had been made in educational infrastructure, and SSLC pass percentages had consistently crossed 95% in recent years. He maintained that while the education sector was witnessing tangible transformation, the progress must be effectively captured through credible reporting. The Chief Minister also assured continued government support for strengthening school infrastructure, enhancing connectivity and expanding access to quality education across the state. Education Minister Lakman Rimboy and Sports Minister Wailat Miki Shalla attended the program, which also witnessed the inauguration of a children and adolescent library and digital infrastructure at Sokha Mission Village, reaffirming the government's focus on holistic educational development.
One, two. Good.
This is the audition library. These are only two computer enhancers.
Yeah.
These are we are the essential.
Reading space.
SLC 2025. Next, Randy Amir Doksni, Lindo. SLC 2024-3. May I call Dr. Barikanti Khongla, she complete PhD in education.
And I ask you to ask yourself a simple question. That in the last 8 years, has Meghalaya moved forward? Are we better off than what we were 8 years back? Are we seeing change happening in the positive direction? Do we see hope for our state as we move along? I'm sure that in your heart, the answer will be yes. We are better off than what we were before. We are moving in the right direction. We have the positive hope of creating the large opportunities that we desire to create for our youngsters and for our citizens. And while I say that, I'm not saying we are perfect. There are many problems. And neither am I saying that we have done everything correct. We are human beings. We do make mistakes. But let me share, we learn from our mistakes also. We listen to the concerns of our people. if we realize that somewhere certain steps taken by us may not have been in the right direction, we have the will to change those direction and that area and that direction too. That is how we work. We work with our feet on the ground. We work with our ears on the ground. We work by connecting with you to understand the problems you have and find ways in which we can carry everybody along, make a difference, and move together towards a better future.